Good morning, students. We are going to continue yesterday's class. So, till yesterday, number system, we discussed all the basics, Indian, international, and Roman system, and we discussed place values and phase values. And then we also discussed how to write smallest and greatest n-digit numbers with repetition, without repetition. We are going to continue. We also discussed rounding off to nearest tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. So, all of you, I'm just going to share my screen. All of you try to solve this question. 76 lakh 4083 is written as dash in the number system, that is international number system. If anybody want to give the answer, you can raise a hand now. Srivasu, can you answer this question? Srivasu?
Sir, B.
Okay. You said first read the question, Srivasu.
76 lakh 4083 is written as dash in the international number system.
In international number system, do you have lakhs?
No,
Lakhs
sir.
are there in Indian system or international system?
Indian system.
First, let us write this in Indian system. In Indian system, up to lakhs period, let us use blanks. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, now you read the number, Srivatsa.
76 lakh.
Wait a minute. 76 lakh. That means in lakhs period, which number we have to write?
76.
So let us write 76 in the lakhs period. Now you continue reading the number.
4000.
Okay, how can I write 4,000 in this period? What are the digits I have to write in this period? This is thousands period only, right?
Yes, sir.
How can I write 4,000? Which digits I can write here? How can you write 4,000? Which digits we can write here? Srivatsa,
Sir,
tell
sir,
me what.
0.
Okay, you write 0. And then Srivatsa?
4.
Yes, 04. This is 4,000. That means in 1,000 period we have 4. And continue reading the number.
83 is
Just
83.
83. How can I write 83 in ones period? In ones period, I want to write 83. How can I write?
083.
Very good. 083. But this is in Indian system or international system?
Indian system.
But they're asking in international system, no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So let us write the digits as it is. 7604083. Because they are asking in international system, we have to place commas according to international system only, right?
Yes, sir.
In international system, how do we place commas, Srivasav? How do we place commas in international system?
Sir, 7.
Just tell me how do we write commas starting from right to left or left to right?
Sir, right to left.
After every two digits, three digits, which pattern we follow in international system?
Three digits.
Every
3 digits.
Yes, starting from right to left, every three digits you count and place commas. So this is in international system. So which option is matching Srivatsav?
Sir, D.
Yes. The answer is D. Srivatsav, can you read the number in international system? Can you read this in international system?
7 millions.
Yes. You should not say plural. You should say million only. 7 million. Don't say millions. 7 million. Continue.
604.
Yes. 600. What is that? 604. 604 is in which period?
Thousands.
Yes. 604 thousands. You should not say thousands. You should say thousand. 604,000. And next.
83.
Yes. Can you read together?
7,604,083.
Very good. Shiva, so I hope you understood everything. Correct
Yes.
answer. All of you try the next question now. The next question is, in Roman numeration, if a symbol is repeated, its value is not multiplied as many times as it occurs. Raise your hand if you want to give answer. Aditi, you said option B for previous question. That was wrong answer. Option D is correct. All of you read this question and try. In Roman numeration, if a symbol is repeated, its value is not multiplied as many times as it occurs. Who want to give the answer for this? Raise a hand. We just want to find the statement whether it's true or false. Srivastava said option C. Yes, Surya, which option is correct?
Sir,
Yes, Surya.
I didn't answer the question.
You didn't understand the question.
Yes, sir.
They said in Roman numeration, if a symbol is repeated, its value is not multiplied. That means, for example, you tell me any Roman numeral where the Roman digit or Roman letter is repeated.
Sir, it's 20.
Okay, XX. XX means they are saying it is not multiplied. We are not going to multiply 10 and 10, right?
Yes,
Will
sir.
you multiply 10 and 10 and write 100? Will you do this?
No, sir.
So they are also saying the same thing. When a Roman symbol is repeated, its value is not multiplied, but actually it is multiplied or added.
Added.
So 10 plus 10 is 20. So they said the statement is correct or wrong?
False, sir.
Correct. That means we can go for option A, true. Can we go for option A, true?
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Surya.
sir, no, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you, those who want to copy this, you can do that. Anvita?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita?
sir, I joined now only.
Okay.
I write from here.
Yeah, you leave some space and write from here.
Yes, sir.
Lakshita? Lakshita?
Sir,
Yes, Lakshita.
sir, can you show the first question?
You can you can watch the recorded lecture and write the previous content. You just leave some space and write.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So option C, everybody is saying option C for this question. It is wrong. It is true. The statement they gave is true. Okay, all of you try the next question now. Which of the following numbers in Roman numerals is incorrect? Who want to say the answer can raise the hand. Which of the following numbers in Roman numerals is incorrect? Yes, Aditi?
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
sir, I want to copy that question in Roman numeral.
Why are you taking so much time to copy? Okay, you can leave some space, Aditi, and you can write it again from the recorded lecture. Try the next question, leave some space. Anvita, you want to answer?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, LC.
LC is wrong. Why
Yes,
LC is wrong, Anvita?
yes, sir, LC is wrong.
Why? Reason.
Sir, LC is not a Roman numeral, sir.
Why it is not a Roman numeral?
Sir, because L is 50,
Yes.
C is 100.
Okay. 100
That's,
minus 50, 50, correct only now.
sir, 50 is smaller than 100, sir.
Okay, 50 is smaller than 100. That's why we are subtracting 100 minus 50. And we are getting answer 50. What is the problem?
Sir,
Can you say the exact reason why LC is wrong or incorrect? We have all the rules, Roman numerals. Did you revise all the Roman numerals?
yes, sir.
The Roman numerals which are starting from 5, what are they?
Sir, 5,
Say in Roman symbols. V,
V,
yes.
X.
No, X will start from 5.
No, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
V,
with 5.
the Roman numerals which start from 5, what are they? V, L, D, right?
Yes, sir.
VLD, we gave two rules. Can you recall those rules?
Sir,
VLD, we gave two rules. What are the two rules regarding V, L, and D?
sir, V.
V, L, and D. Two rules are there. Who will tell me the rules regarding VLD? Raise a hand. Who will tell me the rules regarding V, L, and D? Rishikesh, will you say? Rishikesh?
Sir,
Yes. What are the rules regarding V, L, and D?
sir, V, L and D never be subtracted from other number.
Very good. That's why LC is wrong. Here L is subtracted from C. That means
Yes, sir.
V, L, and D can never be written to the left of any bigger number. That's why it is wrong. But
Yes, sir.
Rishi, can you help me in checking other options also?
Yes, sir.
So what is LXII?
Sir, 62.
62. Very good. And what is XCI?
Sir, 91.
Very good. 91. LC. This is
Wrong.
wrong. LC is not there in Roman system. And what
Yes,
is
sir.
XLIV? What is XL?
44.
Very good, 44. So we have to choose option C. This is incorrect. Very good, Rishikesh. You can mute yourself. Those who
Okay,
want
sir.
to copy, you copy quickly. Those who want to copy, you copy quickly. Next question. The successor of 1 million is the successor of 1 million is. Who want to give the answer can raise a hand. Pranay, can you give the answer for this question? Pranay?
Sir,
Yes, Pranay, can you give the answer for this?
sir, 1 million 1. Option B.
Okay, help me in writing the number 1 million. So, shall I use blank spaces? Ones, tens,
Yes,
hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, and millions. So, how to fill these blanks?
sir, right. First one.
Yes, that means this period we wrote 1. So, what become 1 followed by what is the period name?
1 million.
Okay, 1 million. So, the remaining digits will become
0.
zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, to find the successor means the next number or the previous number.
Next number.
So, to get the next number, what we should do?
Plus 1.
So, add 1. So, that give you 1. What is the answer?
Sir, option B.
That is 1 million 1, right?
Yes.
So, answer B. Very good. You can mute yourself, Pranay. So, those who want to copy, you can quickly. Next, today we are going to discuss one more important topic called division formula, because it is going to be useful for most of the questions which are framed on division, dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Then we are going to solve with the help of division formula. Okay, next topic we are going to discuss is rounding off. I think we have completed yesterday. There is one question left to be discussed in rounding off, that is rounding off to nearest tens, hundreds, and we also call it estimation, approximation. How do you try this question? Round off this number to the nearest hundreds. Who will give me the correct answer? Raise a hand. Abhyuday, can you give the answer for this? Abhyuday?
Sir,
Yes, Abhyuday.
sir, I cannot see the options.
You cannot see the options.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Uh,
only I see two options.
Only you can see two options.
Yes, sir.
Why? I think now you can see the options.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhyuday, can you tell me the answer for this?
Sir, option B.
Okay, why you are going for option B? First, shall I write that number?
Yes, sir.
3, 4, 8, 5, 6, 1. Okay. Then they're asking nearest hundreds now. What we have to do first?
Sir, first check the tens place.
First, we have to round up the hundreds place and check the next digit, that is tens place. Okay, very good. So, what is the next place?
Sir, tens place.
Tens place, what is there?
Sir, 6.
So, 6 means what we should do?
Sir, add 1 to 5.
That means if the next digit is 0, 2, 3, or 4, don't change anything. But if the next digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, what we have to do? Add 1. So because the next digit is 6, we want to add 1 to this number, right?
Yes, sir.
So add 1 to this number. What will you get?
Sir, 7, 3, 4, 8, 6.
7, 3, 4, 8, 6. Outside the box, every digit will become?
0.
This is the answer. Okay, where is this answer seen? Which option?
Sir, B.
B. Very good, Abhinay. You can mute yourself. Answer B. So those who want to copy, you can. Okay, now we are going to the next topic, division formula. Okay, division formula. What it says. Let us do any division. For example, I'm taking 17 and I am dividing it by 4. 4 fours are 16 and the remainder is 1. So we call this 17 as dividend. And in short, we write it as capital D. In short, we write it as capital D. And we call this 4 as divisor. And in short, we call it small d. So capital D is dividend, small d is divisor. And there are two results for the division. One is quotient, one is remainder. So this is called quotient. So quotient is, in short, we call Q. And the another result of the divisor is called remainder. So remainder, we're going to call small r. So there is always a true relation exists between them. That is, dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula is always true. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Even we can check any division we have completed, whether it is correct or not, or we can verify that with the help of this division formula. So let us verify this division is correct or not. Dividend is 17, divisor is 4, quotient is also 4, and the remainder is 1. So let us try to simplify again. So 17 is equal to 4 fours are 16. We write 16 plus 1. So we are getting 17 is equal to 17. True. That means the division what we have done is correct. Let's take one more example. I am dividing 21 by 4. Let's take 5. 5 fours are 20 and remainder is 1. So 21 is dividend, 5 is divisor, 4 is quotient and 1 is remainder. So let us check this with the help of division formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So dividend is 21, divisor is 5, quotient is 4 plus remainder is 1. So let us check. 21 is equal to 5 fours are 20 plus 1. So we got 21 is equal to 21. That means it is true. So for every division, the division formula will be true. So we'll be solving some questions based on division formula only. And the division formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you want to copy the division formula, you can copy quickly. We'll be going into the next question to solve based on division formula. Okay, all of you, try to solve this question. Yes, Nishil, you have any doubts? Nishil, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
answer right.
Examples, if you want, you can copy.
Okay, sir.
All of you try to solve the next question. On dividing 2272 as well as 875 by a three-digit number n, we get the same remainder. The sum of the digits of n we should find. Manaswini, what happened? Manaswini, why did you raise a hand?
Sir, I didn't note this formula.
Okay, copy quickly. I'm waiting on the previous screen. Copy quickly, all of you. Yes, Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan.
Sir,
Yes, Harshvardhan.
sir, may you can explain once more?
See, you take any division, okay? Like suppose I divide 17 by 4. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. So the division formula is always true in any case of any division. The division formula says dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let
Dividend
us
to cost.
dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 17 is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1. Is it true? 4 fours are 16 plus 1 is 17. Yes.
Yes,
And this is also true in the case of second example also.
yes.
When 21 is divided by 5, we got the quotient 4 and we got the remainder 1. So 21 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 1. So that is also LHS equal to RHS. So in every division, this is true. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. May I copy that formula?
Copy quickly. You joined now only, Harshvardhan?
Yes, sir.
No problem. There is a previous questions also. So you do one thing. You can watch the recorded lecture and write it later.
Sir, I want formula.
Yeah, only formula is visible. You can write. So all of you try the next question. On dividing 2272 as well as 875 by a three-digit number n, we get the same remainder. What is the sum of the digits of n?
This. So what we have to do? We want to take any one number and we want to divide the two digits.
You take any three-digit number and with that you divide 2272 as well as 875. They should give the same remainder. That is a condition. If you find such number, then sum of the digits will be the answer.
So remainder plus remainder.
No, no. You have to get the same remainder. If you take a three-digit number and divide 2272, you will get that remainder, no? With the three-digit number, if you divide 875 also, it should give the same remainder.
Oh, okay, sir.
Rishikesh, can you answer this question? Rishikesh?
Sir, I can't understand this question, sir.
Okay, I'll explain, but you try once again.
Okay, sir.
Surya, can you answer this question? Surya, Surya, can you answer this question?
I didn't understand that first on dividing 2272 as well as 865 by a three-digit number. I didn't understood.
Okay, everybody is asking, we didn't understand this question. So first I'll explain the question, then you can try. See, 2272 and 875, two numbers are given for us. and there is a 3-digit number n. N is a 3-digit number. Okay. If you divide 2272 by n, we are getting the same remainder. Let us say r. If you divide 875 by n, then also we get the remainder r. Then we should find the sum of the digits of n. If you want to find the sum of the digits, first we should find what is n. So here I don't know what is the quotient I got. Let us call a. Here I don't know what is the quotient I got. Let us call b. Now we don't know what is the process going on, but the final remainders are same. Here are, there also are. Now you have to find such 3-digit number which is giving the same remainder. In that 3-digit number, sum of the digits you want. I hope you understood the question, Surya.
Okay.
On dividing both these numbers by the same 3-digit number n, we get the same remainders. And what is the sum of digits we have to find?
Okay.
Okay, all of you try once again.
Sir, can I move choices?
Yes. Sahana, can you answer this question? Sahana, are you there? Sahana, are you there? Sahana, you're not audible to me. Sahana, you let me know in the chat box. So everybody is saying B, B, but nobody is explaining how. Yes, sure then.
So we can take, we can find LCM.
No, here we are not starting LCM actually. We can solve this with the help of division formula only. What is division formula? Dividend is equal to
Divide.
divisor into quotient plus remainder. Using that we can solve.
So we can take any number.
No, already I wrote the variables, no, A and R. You can use those variables also and you can solve. Okay, let me explain. Okay, all of you listen to the solution. See here on the first division, let me write the division formula. What is division formula? Dividend. The dividend in this question is 2272. Dividend is equal to, Ashwa, then you can mute yourself. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This I can write. And on the second one, if you apply the division formula, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us say this is equation number 1 and let us say this is equation number 2. Now, I want to remove r so that I get the relation between n and the given numbers. So what I do is, if you subtract this one and this one, the r will be getting cancelled because r is common, it gets cancelled. So for that what I am doing, I am subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So that will give you 2272 minus 875. First LHS I have subtracted, then RHS I am going to subtract. N into A plus R. From this you subtract N into B plus R. Now if you subtract these numbers, so what are you getting? 2272 minus 875. That will give you 1397. That is equal to, now you can open the brackets now, n into a plus r. Now before the bracket, if minus is there, I told you already, every sign is going to get changed. So it will become minus n into b plus r is going to become minus r. So we can cancel out plus r and minus r, and I'm continuing after this. So 1397 is equal to n into a minus n into b. I can take n common. So n times a minus b. Now, finally we got 1397 is equal to n times a minus b. What is the meaning of this statement? What you understood from this statement? I want the answer. So what is the information this statement is giving? What is the information this statement is giving? I want the answer from you. Rishikesh, can you answer this question? What is the information that we are getting from this equation? Rishikesh?
Sir,
Yes, Rishikesh?
sir, sir, I didn't understand while you are explaining.
See, 2272 and 875 both are divided by a three-digit number n. So I divided by n. Okay.
Hmm.
What is the quotient and remainder we are getting? We don't know. So let us write a and b. But they said one thing. What is that? Same remainder in each case. That's why for first case I wrote r. For second case also I wrote r. I think you understood that.
Yes, sir.
Now apply the division formula. What is division formula, Rishikesh?
Sir, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
So in the first case, I can write 2272 is equal to n into a plus r. Can I write that?
Yes, sir.
And in the second case, can I write 875 is equal to n into b plus r? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Now, if I remove r from these two equations, then I get a relation between the numbers and n. So to remove
Yes,
n, what I am doing is I'm subtracting the equations. So first 2272 minus 875 I did on the LHS. And on the RHS, I am subtracting n into a plus r, n into b plus r. So plus r minus r cancelled. Now n into a, n into b. We can use distributive property and take n common.
yes, sir.
So n into a minus b. Now what is the information that this final equation is giving? 1397 is equal to n into a minus b. For example, Rishikesh, if you know 20 is equal to 4 into 5, what is the information that you get from this equation?
Sir, 4 multiplied 5 times.
Can I say 4 is a factor of 20?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, in this equation, what is the information that we can write? What is the equation that we can write from this equation? You said 20 is equal to 4 into 5 means 4 is a factor of 20.
Yes, sir.
13 is equal to n into a minus b. What is the information that we can write similarly? Who will give me the answer? Rishikesh, unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Anyone want to give the answer? You can raise a hand. Simple. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. We can call 4 is a factor of 20. N multiplied by some number and you're getting 1397. We can say n is the factor of this number. N is a factor of this number. That means we have to factorize 1397. 1397. Try to factorize. So how can we factorize that? All of you try to factorize and tell me the answer. 1397 is divisible by which number? Yes, Sahana.
Sir,
Yes, Sahana. It's divisible by which number?
sir, no, sir. I'm not listened. No internet connectivity. Can you explain once again from first?
You just try to follow the question and solution I wrote. No, try to watch the recorded lecture later. Similar type of question I explained yesterday in 8th level, Sahana. Then also you're not understanding.
You explained it first, sir, and I am not joined on that time.
Every time you will join late.
No, sir, all that are not connected.
Try to follow the solution and you do one thing. A recorded lecture you can watch again. Doubts you can ask me in the class. Harshvardhan, you factorize this.
Sir, we can raise with 13 table.
13 table, no.
Why, sir?
13 table is not divisible. Ritvik, can you say it's divisible by which number? Ritvik,
Sir,
it's divisible by which number?
11.
Why 11?
Sir,
Yes,
odd plus and even plus is sum and difference is 0, sir.
very good. So you can see 1 and 9, sum is 10. But 3 and 7, sum is 10. Even places sum, odd places sum, they are equal. So it's divisible by 11. So let us try to divide by 11. So 11 ones are 11. What is the remainder, Ritvik?
Sir, 2,
2 9 will become
29.
11 twos are 22. What is 29 minus 22?
Sir, 7.
7 7 becomes,
Sir, 77.
so 11 sevens are 77.
70.
Now, what is n in the question, Ritvik? What is n in the question?
Divisor.
No, no, no. They said something about n, no? What is n in the question?
Digit number.
It is a three-digit number. So we have to select n as 11 or 127.
Sir, 127.
Yes, n we have to select 127 because they said it is three-digit number, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the question that they are asking finally?
Sir, sum of all digits in
Yes.
n.
So very good. Sum of digits. So you find sum of digits is 1 plus 2 plus 7. What is the final answer, Ritvik?
Sir, 10.
Very good. Great answer. And you got answer A. This is answer A. So those who want to copy the solution, you can quickly. We'll move to the next question. Ritvik, very good. You can mute yourself.
So,
Those who want to copy this, you can copy quickly. Yes, I hope this is copied. Yeah, Aditi, you're asking for English class. We are going to start from 7:30. Sahana, why did you raise a hand?
Sir,
Yes, Sahana.
so it is showing no internet connectivity. I connected to my mother also. Wi-Fi.
I think now you are able to listen to the class properly.
No, sir, it is blocked. It's not. If it came as I can't see the board.
I think the screen is not clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Do one
It
thing,
is blocked.
try to leave the class and join again?
Sir, did also.
Do it once again. Okay, I will share it once again for you. I am stopping the screen presentation and I am starting it again.
Sir, showing no internet connectivity.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Sahana, I think you are able to see the screen now.
Sir, I can, but it is coming like no internet connectivity. There I can't see solution.
That means you have to sit in a better place where internet connectivity is there, or check your internet connectivity speed also.
Sir, I connected to my mother mobile also.
Try to get hotspot from other mobile, Sahana.
Taken, sir.
I'll check in today's class. Okay. Harshvardhan, is it completed? Shall we go to the next question?
Sir?
Harshvardhan, have you copied everything?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay. Yes.
yesterday I found my father's internet and means total Khan Academy third class total plus course challenge I did.
No, no problem, Harshvardhan. I am not asking no whether you have completed this problem or not. Is it over?
What, sir?
Is this problem finished solution?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Okay, very good. Saharsha, why did you raise a hand, ma?
Sir, I not understand, sir.
See, from the beginning you are there, Saharsha.
Sir, no, sir.
Why did you join late then? 6 o'clock class now, and you're joining anywhere between. Saharsha, do one thing. You try to follow the recorded lecture, and then also you have doubt. I'll explain to you later. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And what about Nishil? Nishil,
Sir,
yes.
sir, notes are आपके sir.
Speak in English.
Sir, notes also.
I
We
told
are.
you already, you have to copy all the things what I'm writing on the board. The question, solution, everything you have to copy. That's why I'm waiting on the screen. No, daily you're asking the same question, Nishil, and you're not writing notes. Today I'll check all your notes. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I hope everybody completed the solution, and then we are moving into the next question. Okay, we'll start the new chapter, that is factors, multiples, LCM, and HCF. So number system, most of the topics are done. Okay, English we will start at least 7:15 or 7:30. So next chapter, that is okay. The chapter name is factors, multiples, HCF, and LCM. Okay, we're going to discuss what is factor first. For example, I take 10 and I am dividing it by 4. 4 fives are 20 and we got the remainder 0. So because we got the remainder 0, divisor is called a factor of the dividend, and similarly dividend is called a multiple of the divisor. So because we get remainder 0, I can write 4 is a factor of 20, and in reverse order we can say 20 is a multiple of 4. We'll take another example. Suppose 17 I divide by 5. 5 threes are 15 and the remainder is 2. Here remainder is not 0. Whenever remainder is not 0, divisor is not a factor of the dividend and dividend is not a multiple of the divisor. So I can write 5 is not 5 is not a factor of 5 is not a factor of 17. And in reverse order we can say 17 is not a multiple of 5. Is not a multiple of 5. Now, suppose you get some question like list out all factors of 20 or write down all the factors of 20. All the factors of 20. So how can we write all the factors of 20? That is 20, you start checking from the first value. So every number is divisible by 1. So I can write 1 into 20, then check by 2. So it's divisible by 2. 2 into 10 is 20. Then 3, it's not divisible. And 4, yes, it is divisible. That is 4 into 5. So we got this 20 is equal to 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. Next, it's also divisible by 5, but the 5 repeated already. So whenever repetition starts, you can stop writing the products and then you can write all the factors of 20. So the factors, all the factors are right in this order. So you get the factors in ascending order. Okay. So this order we are going to write 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 10 comma 20. So these are all the factors of 20. Now I'll give one question to you, all of you try. Then I'll call one student and ask what are all the factors. Write all the factors of, let's take 48. Write all the factors of 48. Try this question, all of you. Yes. Yes, Harshvardhan. You have any doubts?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, Harshvardhan.
Sir, it will come in
So
two tables.
from 1.
48 2.
Starting from 1. Is it divisible by 1?
Yes.
How can I write in 1 into something?
1 into 48.
Okay, next, what about 2?
2, 1 minute, sir.
2 multiplied. First, you be ready with your solution and then come here, Harshvardhan.
24. 24.
Yes, 24. And then 3.
3. Not multiple, I think so.
Check properly and come back, Harshvardhan. First, write all the solution. Sharath, you want to give answer? Sharath?
Sir,
Sharath, 3 multiplied by which number? 48.
sir, I don't understanding, sir.
You were there from the beginning of the class?
Sir, yes, sir.
48, I am writing as multiples of some number. So, every number is divisible by 1. Can I write 1 into 48?
Yes, sir.
Then 48 is divisible by 2.
Sir, yes, sir.
So, it is 2 into 24.
Sir,
Can we write 48 as 2 into 24? You can check in your rough work. Is 48 divisible by 2? 2 twos are 4, 0, 8. 2 fours are 8 and the remainder is 0. So 2 into 24 I can write.
yes, sir.
Similarly, 3 multiplied by which number is 48? Like that you check all the numbers 3, 4, etc. Do that rough work, Sharath. I'll come back to you. Bhuvana, can you say the answer? Bhuvana, can you say the answer?
Sir,
Yes, Bhuvana, speak loudly.
3 into 16.
Yes, 3 into 16 is 48. Is it divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
4 multiplied by which number you get 48?
Sir, 12.
4 into 12. Is it divisible by 5?
Sir, no.
What about the next number 6?
Sir, it is divisible.
So can I write 6 into which number?
Sir, 6 into 8.
8. What is the next number? 7. Is it divisible by 7?
Sir,
Is 48 divisible by 7? Simple question, Bhuvana. Is 48 divisible by 7?
sir, no.
No. What is the next number? Is it 8? So 8 started repeating, right? Then you can stop this process
Yes, sir.
and you can write all the factors. Bhuvana, in which order it is better to write the factors?
Sir,
In
from.
ascending order, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the order I can follow. I get the ascending order of the factors.
Yes, sir.
So let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, and 48. Okay. So these are all the factors of 48. Okay, Bona, you can mute yourself. And now one important topic we are going to discuss, that is divisibility rules. So before doing division, how can we check whether a number is divisible by other numbers or not? So the next topic is divisibility rules. Divisibility rules, or we can also say tests of divisibility. Tests of divisibility. Divisibility rules or tests of divisibility. Okay, now we'll continue. So we are going to discuss divisibility rule by 2. So first by 2. So without doing division by 2, is there any method you can check whether a number is divisible by 2 or not? Yes, the rule is if units digit, if units digit is any number from 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. So I'm going to give few examples and any one student I'm going to call. So you have to answer whether they are divisible or not divisible. So divisible or not divisible. So the examples I'm going to give is 148, 907, 1234, 9968, 719, 203, 1695. Okay, now any one student try to answer whether it is divisible or not divisible. Otherwise, we write only right and wrong mark. If it is divisible, we put a right mark. If it is not divisible, we put a wrong mark. Who's interested to give answer can raise a hand. Yes, Aditi, can you say 148 is divisible by 2? Aditi, is 148 divisible by 2? Aditi, is 148 divisible by 2?
148 divisible by 3, sir.
Yes, yes or no? What is the units digit in 148? Aditi, what is the units digit in 148?
8.
Is 8 there in this list?
Yes, sir.
So it's divisible or not divisible?
Divisible by, sir.
What about 907?
907 divisible.
Why divisible? What is the units digit?
7, sir.
Is 7 there in this?
No, sir.
Then why did we say divisible? It's not divisible, no?
Not divisible, sir.
What about the next number? 1234.
Divisible.
Divisible. What about the next number?
Divisible.
Next number.
Not divisible.
Next number.
Not divisible.
Next number.
Not divisible.
Very good. I hope you understood how to check a number is divisible by 2 or not without doing the division.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We are going to discuss for next number, that is 3. Aditi, you can mute yourself now. Okay. Next, the divisibility rule by 3 we are going to discuss. Aditi, am I audible? Aditi, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen still visible to you?
No, sir.
Okay, I got a power cut here. Just let me reshare the screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditi, can you see my screen now?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Next topic, we are going to discuss divisibility rule by 3. Aditi, you can mute yourself. So the divisibility rule by 3 is, before discussing divisibility by 3, we should discuss what is digital roots. What is digital root? Digital root means until we get, Aditi, you can mute yourself. Until we get a single digit, keep on adding the digits. Aditi, mute yourself.
Sir, I already muted.
But you're audible to me. There is a mic button, you can click it. Until we get a single digit, keep on adding the digits and create a new number. So when you get the single digit, that will be the digital root. Aditi, you're not muting yourself.
Sir,
Okay. Let us take one simple example. Suppose I take a very large number, something like 7688014. So this number, I want to find the digital root. So what do you mean by digital root? I have to keep on adding the digits until we get a single digit. So let me add the digits: 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 0 plus 1 plus 4. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 8, 29, 29 plus 1, 30, 30 plus 4, 34. Now we didn't get a single digit. And this 34, again we continue the same process, adding the digits. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So because we get the single digit, then this is called the digital root. Therefore, the digital root of 7688014 is 7. So this is how we find the digital root. Until we get the single digit, we keep on adding the digits and create the new number. Now, what is the divisibility rule by 3? So the divisibility rule by 3, it says that if digital root is either 3, 6 or 9, then it is divisible by 3, because The single digit numbers which are divisible by 3 are only these three. 3, 6 or 9. If the digital root is divisible by 3, that means 3, 6 or 9, then the number is divisible. So therefore, for the previous example, we can say 7688014. Let's read this number. 76,88,004 is divisible by 3 or not divisible by 3? It is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Let's take one more example. I'm taking, let's take 21,345. I want to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Let's find the digital roots. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. But 15 is not a single digit. We have to continue this process until we get a single digit. Again add 1 plus 5, that you got 6. So 6 is there in this group. So we can say that number will be divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say 21,345 is divisible by 3. So whenever sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. So same rule we can also write like divisibility by 3. If sum of digits is divisible by 3, then it is divisible by 3. Okay, this is how we check for 3. So any doubts in this explanation, you can raise the hand, I'll explain and we'll go forward. Abhiday, you have any doubts? Abhiday?
Sir, I have no doubt, sir.
Okay. Anvita, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, can you explain again?
See, to check any number is divisible by 3 or not, what you should do is, in that number, digits are there now.
Yes, sir.
The digit will get a sum. If that number is divisible by 3, then we can say it is divisible, otherwise not divisible. Okay?
Okay, sir.
For example, we have this number 21,345. If you add all the digits, we got 15. Is 15 divisible by 3?
Sir, yes.
That's why the number is also divisible by 3. That means, is this useful or not? Before doing division only, we got the answer. It is divisible. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, I not wrote the notes, sir.
You must write what I'm saying from the beginning of the class. I will check today. Daksh, what's your doubt?
Nothing, sir.
No doubts?
Yes, sir.
Then why did you raise a hand?
Sir, for answer.
Lakshita, you have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
just hold up, sir. Some have done, did not wrote.
You can copy later more. So
Sir,
I'm waiting on every screen and going forward. You should write fast. You can write it from record lecture.
okay, sir.
Sahana, you have any doubts? Sahana,
Sir, it's showing no internet connectivity.
okay, I will check today. Harshavardhan, you have any doubt?
Sir, once more you can explain.
See, you want to check any number divisible by 3. The simple rule is add all the digits and get the sum. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the number is also divisible by 3. Is it an easy way to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not?
Sir, what?
Is this an easy way to check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not?
Yes. Easy.
That's why we should add all the digits and check it is divisible by 3 or not. Pranay, you have any doubt? Pranay,
Sir,
yes.
sir, sir,
If only, sir, 3, sir, a number is divisible by 3, it always divisible by 6 and 9.
No, we can say if a number is divisible by 6, then it is divisible by 3. But if a number is divisible by 3, there is no guarantee that it is divisible by 6. For example, you take something like 15. Is 15 divisible by 3?
Sir, yes.
But is it divisible by 6?
Sir, no, sir.
That means if a number is divisible by 3, there is no condition that it must be divisible by 6. But reverse process is true. If a number is divisible by 6, it must be divisible by 3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Because what is the relation between 3 and 6? They are factor multiple pair, right?
Yes, sir.
Number is divisible by any multiple, it must be divisible by its factor. Yes?
Yes,
Okay. Pranay, I think your doubt got cleared.
yes, sir.
Vishwajit, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Vishwajit.
sir, example 2 again explain.
Example 2. Where is example 2? That is 21,345.
Yes.
What is the sum of the digits, Vishwajit? 2 plus
2
1.
plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Yeah, if you add all of them, you got 15, right?
Yes, sir.
Is 15 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Then the number is divisible by 3. That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now we will discuss the divisibility rule of 4. Okay? How can you check a number is divisible by 4 or not? So to check any number is divisible by 4 or not, no need to do the division by 4. Without doing division also we get the answer. That is, if the number formed by if the number formed by last two digits, if the number formed by last two digits is divisible by 4, then it is also divisible. For example, I want to check 1024. Is this divisible by 4 or not? No need to check the entire number. You just create the number created by last two digits. That is 24. Only check this 4 6 are 24. It is divisible. Therefore, 1024 also divisible by 4. 1024 also divisible by 4. Let us take 1131. Is this divisible by 4 or not? What is a number created by last two digits? It is 31. Check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. 4 sevens are 28 and the remainder is 3. That means 31 is not divisible. So we can say this number is also not divisible. Okay, I'm going to give some examples and I ask any one student to answer. 11807, 2304, 6660, 7812, 5117, 1,23,456, 9,99,999. Okay, these numbers, whether they are divisible by 4 or not. Divisible by 4 or not. If yes, we will put tick mark, otherwise it is wrong one. Now, who will explain Hashodan, Shriya, Surya? Manaswini, can you say the first answer? 11,807. I want to check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. How can I do that? Manaswini, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how to check whether any number is divisible by 4 or not?
We check last 2 digits.
Last two digits. What is the last two digits in this numbers, Manaswini?
7, sir.
7 is divisible by 4.
No,
So this number is divisible by 4 or not?
not, sir.
Not divisible. Very good. Can you say the next answer also?
Sir, It is divisible by 4.
Very good. What is the next one?
Sir, it is also divisible by 4.
Very good. Why? Because the last two digits are 60. Is
6.
60 divisible by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. 4 multiplied by which number is 60? Manaswini, can I know?
Sir,
4 multiplied by which number is 60? Can I know?
sir, 1 second. 15, sir.
Yes, 15. That's why it is divisible. What about the next number, Manaswini?
Sir, it is also divisible.
Why it is also divisible? Can you tell me the reason?
Sir, 4 threes is 12, sir.
Last two digits are 12. It is divisible. Very good. And what about the next number?
Sir, it is not divisible.
17 is not divisible by 4. Very good. What about the next number?
It is divisible by, sir.
Yeah, 56 is divisible by 4. 4 into 4
14.
is 56. Very good. 99, is it divisible by 4?
No, sir.
No. Very good, Manaswini. All answers are correct. So you can mute yourself and we are going to discuss the divisibility rule by 5. Now the divisibility rule by 5 is very simple. That is, check the last digit or the units digit. Last or units digit, or we can also say ones digit. If the last digit is either 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Otherwise, it is not divisible by 5. Let's take some numbers: 105, 211, 1231, and 777, 1290, 140, 20, 35, 95, 97, 103, 215, 317, 612, etc. Okay, now who will give me the answers quickly? Which are divisible and which are not divisible? Anvika, Lakshika, Shikesh. Srivatso, can you answer these questions? Srivatso,
Yes,
Srivatso,
sir.
are you there? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
105 is divisible by 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about 211?
Sir, not divisible.
Yes. Next, 1231,
Sir, not divisible.
777,
Sir,
not divisible. What about the next number?
no internet connections.
Srivatsav, check your internet
Yes, sir.
connection. You're not able to see the screen, Srivatsav.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I have seen.
try to
Sir,
disconnect Wi-Fi. I think you're able to see now.
yes, sir.
Okay, what is the next number?
Divisible.
Divisible. Next number.
Sir, divisible.
Next.
Sir, divisible.
Next.
Divisible, sir.
Next.
Divisible.
Next.
Sir, not divisible.
Next.
Sir, not divisible.
Next.
Sir, divisible.
Next.
Sir, not divisible.
Next.
Sir, not divisible.
Very good. All the answers are correct, and we will move to the next divisibility rule, that is 6 we will discuss. So divisibility rule by 6 we are going to discuss. So 6 is a composite number and we can write it as 2 into 3. And these two are called co-primes. These two are called co-primes, or we also call relative primes. So what do you mean by co-primes or relative primes? They should not have any common factor other than 1. See, 2, the factors are 1 and 2. 3, the factors are 1 and 3. So they don't have any common factor other than 1. That's why they are called co-primes. So whenever any composite number, you can write in the form of product of co-primes. Then if the number is divisible by all the factors, then it is divisible by the product. That means if a number is divisible by, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Then it is divisible by 6. Now let us check some examples. Let's take 1124, 2360, 956, 619, 1024, 216, and 1296, 1222. These numbers we will check. So to check whether a number is divisible by 6 or not, we need to check by 2 as well as we need to check by 3. If it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 6. If it is not divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, then also not divisible by 6. It must be divisible by both of them, 2 as well as 3. Okay. Who will answer the question? Shavardhan, Sriya, Surya, Anvita, Vishwajit, Pranay, Aryan, Manaswini. Vishwajit, can you give answer for the first question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, first question. How to check it is divisible by 6 or not?
24 is 3 tables are 3 edge. 2 table has 24.
Wait a minute, Vishwajit. Why are you checking last 2 digits for 3? 3, what is the divisibility rule? You forgot. 3,
Sir,
what is the divisibility rule by 3?
sum of all digits.
Then why are you checking last 2 digits?
Yes.
First
Yes.
you check by 2, then you check by 3. Is it divisible by 2 first?
24, yeah?
First, this number is divisible by 2.
No, sir.
Vishwajit, can you tell me how can you check a number is divisible by 2?
Last 0, 2, 4, 6, 8
Okay.
units.
Is it divisible?
Yes, sir.
Is it divisible by 3?
Yes.
What is the sum of the digits, Vishwajit?
No, sir, no.
What is the sum of the digits I am asking?
The
Sum of digits of this number.
2360.
In 1124, what is the sum of the digits? 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? Huh?
Sir. Yes, sir.
What is the sum?
1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus.
What is the sum?
1
What is
plus
1 plus 1?
1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7.
1 plus 1, how much I am asking?
2.
2 plus 2?
4. 4 plus 4, 8.
8. You are getting different answers every time. 8. Is 8
Yes.
divisible by 3?
No, sir.
No. So we will say no. So how to check a number is divisible by 6 or not? It should be divisible by 2. Also, it should be divisible by 3. So
Yes, sir.
put a right mark under 6 or wrong mark under 6.
Sir.
Is this divisible by 6 or not divisible by 6?
Divisible by 6.
Not divisible. What I told you, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then it is divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Okay? Okay, Vishwajit, you can mute yourself. Harshavardhan, can you answer the next question? Harshavardhan, can you answer 2360? Is it divisible by 2? Harshavardhan, are you there? You're not audible. Lakshita, can you answer the next question? 2360. Lakshita.
Sir.
Lakshita, is it divisible by 2?
Sir.
Is this number divisible by 2?
Sir.
Yes. How to check a number is divisible by 2 or not?
Sir, no, sir.
I'm asking you the rule. What is the divisibility rule by 2? How to check? How to check a number is divisible by 2? First rule we have discussed that one only. Check the last digit. If the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, is it divisible by 2?
Sir.
We have to check the last digit of the number. What is the last digit of this number?
0.
If 0 is there, is it divisible or not?
Sir, not divisible by 2.
Lakshita, can you say the divisibility rule by 2 once?
Sir, I'm not. Sir, I'm not. Sir.
Yes, tell me. If the last digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, it is divisible, no.
Yes, sir.
So if the last digit is 0, it is divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
How to check a number is divisible by 3 or not?
Sir, not divisible by 3.
What is the divisibility rule by 3? Tell me.
Sir, sum of all the digits.
Okay, add the digits. 2 plus 3,
Sir, 2 plus 3, 5.
5 plus 6,
Sir, sir 11.
11 is
Sir,
divisible by 3,
sir, not divisible.
not divisible. So divisible by 2, but not divisible by 3. So can I say is it divisible by 6 or not?
Sir, not divisible because of 2 and 3. Sir, 2 is divisible. 3 is not divisible.
Yes, yes. Very good, very good. You can mute yourself. And Akshit, can you explain next number 956? Akshit,
Sir,
Akshit, why are you absent last 2 days?
అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
Why were you absent last 2 days?
Sir, I told Telugu.
No English.
Sir,
Okay, check this number is divisible by 2 or not. What is the last digit of this number? Akshit, what is the last digit of this number?
6, sir.
So if it is 6, is it divisible by 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about 3?
3.
Is it divisible by 3?
Yes, sir.
How can you check a number is divisible by 3 or not, Akshit?
Sir, 6.
Sum of the digits we should check.
Okay, sir.
What is 9 plus 5?
9 plus 5, 14.
14 plus 6?
14 plus 6, 20.
20 is divisible by 3?
20. No, sir.
No. That means, can I say it's divisible by 6 or not divisible by 6?
Sir, no, sir.
Not divisible. Okay. So remaining, Akshit, you can mute yourself. Very good. Remaining examples we'll discuss tomorrow, but we are going to start English class as everybody is asking. I hope everybody is able to see my screen. Okay. So noun chapter, we are going to discuss. So first, we are going to discuss what is noun. A noun is a part of speech that identifies a person, place, animal, or an idea. So it is a naming thing, naming word. A restaurant is open. So restaurant is a name given to a place. So restaurant is a noun. Throw the ball. Ball is a name of one thing. So ball is also a noun. Jacob is a good athlete. So Jacob is a name of a person. So Jacob is also a noun. Now, types of noun. Types of noun. Proper noun. It refers to specific or some particular place person or thing. That means it is not applicable to everyone. It is applicable to only few things, few places, or few persons. Then it is called proper noun. For example, just now I was clarifying, I was asking question to Akshit. So Akshit is a proper noun or common noun? It is a proper noun. Why? Because it is a name of one particular person. But if I use a word called boy, boy can be used for everybody in the class. So it becomes a common noun. Similarly, girl becomes common noun. Teacher becomes common noun. But if you tell me any particular name like Hyderabad, it is a place, it is a name of one place, particular place. So it becomes a proper noun. Now Vikramaditya was just a king, was a just king. So Vikramaditya is the name of one particular person. So it will become proper noun. Rajasthan is a sandy area. So Rajasthan is the name of one particular place, a state. So it's a proper noun. Now collective noun. It is a noun that refers to a group of persons or things that spoken of as a whole. So together, all the things together, there is a separate name given that is called collective noun. The class sums to be noisy. Suppose all the students together, if the collection of students together is there, the collective noun is called class. A bunch of flower is beautiful. So flowers, all the flowers together you call bunch, or sometimes you call bouquet also. List of some collective nouns. This is very important. An army of soldiers. So the collective noun of soldiers we have to call it army. An army of soldiers. A board of directors. If all the directors are together, we call that collection as a board. Board of directors. A bunch of grapes. Grapes together called bunch. Bunch of grapes. And the bunch can be used for bananas also, as well as for keys also. So we can say a bunch of grapes, a bunch of bananas, a bunch of keys. Surya, is my screen visible to you?
Daddy?
Surya, is my screen visible to you? Surya?
Sir,
Surya, is my screen visible to you?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Surya?
sir, I have to write those corrective nouns and proper nouns also.
Yeah, you can write only the important notes you can write now, and later you can write everything from the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So, a bench of judges. So, all the judges are together. The collective noun is called bench. A crew of sailors. Sailors means the ones who do journey on sea. That is called sailors. So, sailors together. That is called a crew of sailors. A constellation of stars. So all the stars together we can call constellation. Also we can call galaxy. A fleet of cars. The fleet can be used for other vehicles also. A fleet of cars, a fleet of ships. Now cattle. Cattle means cows, buffaloes, etc. A herd of cattle and buffaloes. And even for elephants also we can use herd. A library of books. If all the books are together and the collective one is called library. A library of books. A pack of wolves. Wolves together is called a pack. Thieves, a pack of thieves. We can say a pack of cards. Playing cards are there. The group of playing cards together is called pack. So we can say a pack of cards. Similarly, a set of clubs. That is a collective noun. A set of clubs. We can use a set of tools. Rooms. Rooms together we can call suit. Oxen. Ox plural, ox singular, oxen plural. So we can say a team of oxen. And even players are there. All the players together we can call a team of players. Grass. Grass together as a bunch, like together a group of grass that is called a tuft of grass. A band of musicians. A bouquet of flowers. A bevy of girls. Next, a bundle of sticks. A clump of trees. All of you must remember the collective nouns. A flock of birds or sheep, a gang of thieves, For thieves, we already got one more collective noun also. We can call pack or we can call gang. A litter of pigs or puppies. A mob of people. A swarm of bees. A string of beads. A shoal of fish. For fish, we can use one more word, school. A school of fish also we can say. A troop of dancers. A troop of lions or a troop of monkeys. But for lions, we can call pride also. Pride of lions. A pride of lions or a troop of monkeys. Then now we are discussing common noun. What is common noun? Proper noun is a name of one particular place or one particular person or one particular thing. But common noun, it refers to all the things in a group. These are the words used to denote same class or group of entities, not an individual. So it is not talking about particular thing. In common, everybody it is useful. Boys are hardworking. So we can use the word boy for everybody. Lion. Every lion we call lion only. But if you give a separate name for that particular lion, then it will become proper noun. But lion is a common noun. Lion will never eat grass. Material noun. What is material noun? It refers to a material or substance from which things are made. Like silver. Using silver we can make ornaments. Using gold we can make ornaments. Using iron we can prepare some tools. Using cotton we can prepare some fabric. Using diamond we can prepare some ornaments. And plastic we can create some tools useful for us. Example, this ring is made up of silver. So what is the material noun in this statement? Silver. Gold is costly metal. What is the material noun in this? Gold. Okay, till now any doubts are there you can ask, then we'll move forward. Shriyash, why did you raise a hand? Shriyash? Shriyash, you raised a hand. You're not audible. Try to leave the class and join again. Anvita, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, we have to write you are telling that all.
Okay, just you go through the class now, but later after completing you get the recorded lecture, no? No, then you can write the notes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Manaswini, what's your doubt? Manaswini, Manaswini, you're not audible. Aryan, what's your doubt? Aryan?
Sir,
Yes, Aryan.
sir, if Akitram is a proper noun, then many people in India also have the Akshit name, no, sir. How it is proper?
Even though other persons are having the name Akshit Ram, but when you call Akshit Ram, if all the boys will respond or only few people? That means particular people only. It may not be unique. It may not be unique, but in a group, one may be separate, no?
Yes,
Then
sir.
it will be proper noun only.
Okay, sir.
And Jaiwant, what's your doubt? Jaiwant, Jaiwant, you're not audible.
Sir,
Yes, Jaiwant, what's your doubt?
sir, my English notebook in KRANTHI Academy, sir.
Okay, you can just visit the class now and you can write from the recorded lecture later.
Okay, sir.
Sriyash, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Sriyash.
sir, you told the disability rule, sir.
Yes, divisibility rules.
How to find the quotient easily?
For finding quotient, you have to go for division. There is no alternative for division.
Okay, sir.
Checking whether it is divisible or not, we have rules. But for finding quotient easily, we don't have rules. But there are some particular patterns in the number. Then we can use some tricks. But I'll explain them in the next class. Okay. Manaswini, you have any doubt in English? Manaswini, you have any doubt in English? Manaswini,
Sir,
you have any doubt in English?
sir, I didn't understood what is mean by material noun.
Material noun means Whenever anything is prepared out of some material, that is called material noun. For example, furniture is prepared by which material?
Sir,
A lot of background noise. I'll come back to you. Manasvi, I'll come back to you later. There is a lot of background noise from your side. Lakshita, you want to raise the hand, but I think you're not. Once Lakshita try to raise the hand. Okay, Lakshita, you can try to say in the message what is your doubt. Let us see what is the problem. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? A noun that is used for the action, state, quality. It refers that cannot be physically held, which we cannot see, we cannot touch, we cannot smell, we cannot feel, but it is still existing. That is called abstract noun. Hunger. Hunger made the farmer weary. Hunger means when we are feeling hungry, we want to eat anything. The hunger. It's not visible, but that is a noun. It's a name given. That's why it is called hunger. Youth is the future of the country. The youth of a person, the young age of a person is not seen. So it's also an abstract noun. Rishikesh, what's your doubt? Rishikesh, Rishikesh, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Rishikesh.
sir, I didn't understand abstract noun, sir.
Abstract noun means it is a noun which we cannot physically touch or we can feel, we can smell, nothing.
Okay, sir.
Hunger. Hunger means we want to eat anything, so we are out of food. We feel hungry. So that hungerness, is it seen? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
visible? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
is it sensible by touch or
No,
smell?
sir.
etc.? No. So that is hunger, abstract noun. Now, Aryan, Aryan, what's your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, abstract noun can be felt.
Abstract noun cannot be felt physically.
Sir, then hunger is felt physically only, sir.
For the other person, not for that person. For the
Okay, sir.
other person, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
How is it visible?
Sir, because
I'm telling you, I'm not telling you the symptoms of hungerness. That hunger, is there any particular thing called hunger which is visible?
no, sir.
No, that's why it is abstract noun. Now we are going to discuss. Yes,
Sir, it is
yes,
not physical, only mental.
only mentally, yes. So now we are going to discuss what is noun number. The noun number tells us about the fact if the noun is just one or more than one. So following are the kinds of number nouns, singular and plural. Singular means there is only one particular object, then cow, boy, place, radio. Plural, if more than one object is there, then we call it plural noun. Cow becomes cows, boy become boys, place become places, radio become radios. Spellings you must remember. Next, countable noun, which can be counted like a river, five rivers, an apple, 10 apples, which are countable. Uncountable means, for example, water is there. Water we cannot count. Oil we cannot count. Most of the liquids. So nouns that cannot be expressed in numbers are called uncountable nouns. So list of some singular and plural nouns you have to remember along with the spellings. Banana, bananas, horse, horses. Tree, trees, bamboo, bamboos, book, books, pen, pens, room, rooms, bag, bags, school, schools, bus, buses, glass, glasses. Now we are getting ES, glass, glasses, bunch, bunches, bush, bushes, box, boxes, mango, mangoes, photo, photos, piano, pianos, wife, wives. In wife, F becomes V in plural. Wife become wives. Life This is also same. F becomes V. Life, lives, knife, knives. Thief, thieves. Shelf, shelves. So the most of the words which are having F in singular is going to become V in plural. Proof, proofs. But here in proof, F is not becoming V. Roof, roofs. Lady, ladies. You can get the spelling IES. Baby, if it is ending with Y, most of the times it will have IES. Baby becomes babies. Army, armies. City, cities. Story, stories. Day, days. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Man, men. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Woman, woman. So woman, woman, both the pronunciation is same, but spelling is different. For singular, we call WOMAN, and for plural, it will be WOMEN. But pronunciation is same. By pronunciation, we cannot identify. Only by the sentence we can identify. But spelling is different. Foot, feet, ox, oxen. So there are some exceptions in the singular and plural nouns. That is child, children, people, plural also people only. Sheep, plural also sheep. Man servant, men servant. Species, plural is species. Lord justice, lord justices. Deer, deer. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law. Fish, plural is fish. Duke, dukes. Next, we are going to discuss about gender, noun gender. Gender, following the types of gender like masculine gender related to males, that is called masculine gender. Boy is a masculine gender. Horse is a masculine gender. Father is a masculine gender. Feminine gender. For boy, the feminine gender is girl. For horse, it is mare. For father, it is mother. Common gender, which denotes either male or female. That means this word can be used for both male as well as female. Doctor, if a male doctor is there, we can use the word doctor. Even if a female doctor is there, we can use the word doctor only. Teacher is a common gender. Child is a common gender. Child we can use for both boy as well as girl. And whenever newborn babies are there, so baby, the word baby also refers to both male as well as female baby. Neuter gender denotes neuter things where gender is not applicable. For example, you have pen. In pen, there is no gender. In table, there is no gender. And in grass, there is no gender. Such type of things are called neuter genders. Now, list of some masculine and feminine genders you have to read. Actor, actress, author, authoress, bachelor, spinster, boy, girl, bridegroom, bride, brother, sister, conductor, conductress, count, countess, Caesar, Caesarina, dad, mom, daddy, mummy, duke, duchess, emperor, empress, father, mother, father-in-law, mother-in-law, fiance, fiancee, gentleman, lady, giant, giantess, god, goddess, governor, matron, grandfather, grandmother, headmaster, headmistress, hero, heroine, host, hostess, hunter, huntress, husband, wife, king, queen. Second column, lad, lass, landlord, landlady, lord, lady, man, woman, manservant, maidservant, master, mistress, milkman, milkmaid, monk, nun, murderer, murderess, negro, negress, nephew, niece, lion, lioness, poet, poetess, postman, postwoman, postmaster, postmistress, prince, princess, shepherd, shepherdess, sir, madam, son, daughter, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, stepfather, stepmother, stepson, stepdaughter, tailor, tailoress, uncle, aunt, waiter, waitress, washerman, washerwoman, he goat, she goat. Now there are some practice exercises you're going to answer now. Before that, some other questions I'm going to give you. This practice exercise will take tomorrow. So till now in this discussion, any doubt? Anvita, you had any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, can you keep the poll?
Anvita, you had any doubts? I didn't get you.
Sir,
Anvita, what are you asking?
sir, poll.
Come again? Yeah. You are asking poll, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'll try to create a poll. Just wait a second. Wait a second. Are you able to see my screen? Okay, I'm going to increase the font size also. So this is the question you got in Sainik School exam 2023 based on noun number. So all of you try to answer the incorrect option. So participate in the poll. Okay, I'm giving 30 seconds time. Select the incorrect option. Mouse, mice, 30 seconds you have. Child, children, sheep, sheeps, woman, woman. Which is incorrect option? Five seconds left and time up. I got no votes for D, A, no votes. B, I received one vote. But maximum number of votes are there for C. Okay, that is C. Let us check mouse, mice. That is correct option. Mouse plural is mice. Child plural is children. But sheep plural is not sheeps. Sheep, it is sheep only. Just now we discussed. Woman, woman. It is correct. Spelling will change. So the correct answer is C. Now in gender, I'll ask you a question. Okay, I'm going to increase the font size. Choose the option that does not come under gender. Masculine, feminine, singular, neuter. Be ready with your answer. I'm going to create poll. I'm giving 1 minute time this time. Choose the option that does not come under gender. Masculine, feminine, singular, neuter. Thirty seconds left. Yes, most of the people are participating in the quiz. 10 seconds left. And time up. I received one response each for A, B, and D, but for C, I received 17 responses. So, masculine gender, yes, it is a type of gender. Feminine gender also there, and option D, neuter gender also there. But there is nothing like singular gender, that is not there. So, answer C is the incorrect one, that does not come under gender. So, there ends our today's class. All the students, you participated very actively in class, and you have asked doubts and got clarified. Very good. So, you give today's class feedback, and you may leave the class now. The class ends today. You may leave the class now after giving your feedback in the chat box. Thank you for joining, all of you. You can give the feedback in the chat box and you can leave the class. Thank you.